Welcome back to Larte Design YouTube channel, and as you can already see, this video is something new and something interesting. So what I would like to do today is I'm going to show you the stock Lamborghini URUS, which we will transform together, and I will also walk you through the whole installation process, and we will also have a look at all the upgrade elements together in detail. The main focus for this video is to show you how a Larte upgrade looks like in detail. So as you can already see, we've got here the full carbon fiber elements laying here on the table. This is not the full upgrade, however, we've got here some front details which will also go on this car. We've also got the side elements and the rear upgrade elements, in addition with the custom-made Larte Design forged wheels. And you will also see the difference right away between the stock URUS and the Larte Design URUS. And now let me show you this hood in detail. As you can see, we've got a one-piece massive hood. It's also made from 100% carbon fiber. And if you have a closer look, you will see this perfect carbon fiber weave. Now, this Larte carbon is definitely something super aggressive, also super massive, and gives you this individual look for your URUS. But in addition to this, as you can also see, this hood has got an interesting color combination. So the client has decided to have the carbon hood, the exposed carbon fiber hood, in addition with this color combination. Now this color is the same color as his car, so you will see later on how this looks on his car. So it's also something that you can customize at Larte Design and see if you would like to go whether for the exposed carbon fiber hood or maybe completely in the body color, or just like as you saw, this interesting color combination. Before we continue talking about the side upgrade elements and the rear ones, let me also show you how these elements look directly on the car. So now I'm holding in my hand the front insert, which is made from, again, 100% carbon fiber, and as you can see, this part goes into this insert here, and this right away definitely changes the look completely. As you can see, this tiny part right away adds this elegant aggression to the URUS and making it look super individual. Now these carbon fiber upgrade elements go in addition with the front splitter. Now let me also show it to you how it looks on the car. Now I'm holding in my hand once again, as you can see, it's super light. And now have a look again at the before look, and now I'm going to show you how this part transforms the overall look of this car. Now this part will be installed actually super easy. As you can see, this design element lowers your car visually, but also adds this stylish look to your URUS and highlighting its sportiness and tiny detail lines. So this is something definitely exclusive, and as you can see, it's a piece of art. Let me now walk you through the upgrade elements for the side of this project. And as you can already see, we have developed and designed here quite a lot of upgrade elements. So this is a definitely true transformation. First of all, we have here the mirror cups, which are the two-piece designed solution here. In addition with the side arches for the rear part and the front part. Also for the side, you will also see later on how it gets installed. We've got here an interesting side element here, which definitely adds sort of uniqueness here. And on the lower part of this car, we have developed here for this project the moldings, which, as you can see, three-piece part. So it all gets installed into the original mounting points. And if I come on this side, I will show it to you how these parts looks also from the inside. So let me now turn it around, and you will see that these parts get installed into the original mounting points. Now these are engineered the same way as the stock part. I will now show it to you also in detail, just to show you how this installation easily works. I am going to do it myself, and just give me a moment please. Now as you can see, I'm disattaching. Isn't it crazy? I just literally removed this part by myself, and let me show it to you from the inner side. So this is basically how this part looks like, and as you can see, it is completely identical to our part. This means that this is a true engineering piece of art which we have developed here, meaning that this gets installed onto the same original mounting points, guaranteeing the safety while driving at high speeds. This means that this part is super stable, and let me show you how it gets attached. Now, as you can see, that's it. This is the easiest installation I have ever seen. Now, this is a true engineering piece of art innovation that we have developed in-house at Larte Design. So this is another side arch that goes into the rear part of the car. This is actually a two-piece side arch. And as you can see here as well, we have developed the same installation mounting points, or the same system that works pretty well and quite easy. And also the side mountings get installed instead of the original ones. Therefore, you know, once again, guaranteeing you the safety while driving at high speeds, but also this is a high quality engineering solution developed in-house. Let's also together install this interesting design element here. It's actually quite easy as well. So as you can see, I am just going to remove this part just like that. So quite easy. Let me also show you how these two parts look from the inside. So this is the Larte Design part. As you can see, we've got here the special Larte Design badge, therefore guaranteeing you the authenticity of this part. And as you can also directly compare the original URUS part here, you can right away see that here as well we have also developed the same mounting system on this part. Once again, it's just an easy installation, as you can see. Now watch this. I am installing this part in front of you. Are you ready? Oh, it's already in. So this is just a plug-in element. By the way, when also talking about exclusivity, let me also show you this premium carbon fiber touch for this project, which are the mirror cups. So as you can see, I already put them on. Let me know what you think about it. Carbon fiber or glossy stock look. Also, this carbon fiber look has an interesting design consisting of two individual pieces, therefore giving it even a more premium and luxury look. Let me know in the comments below. And talking about the side view, as I already mentioned, we've also developed interesting design solution for this car. As you can see here, we have now got here the stock wheels. However, let me also show you and compare together the special Larte Design rims developed for this project, and super customizable. As you can see, this is so individual. The full match with the body color of this car, also including the Larte Design badge here and the signature here on the top, making it even more unique. And let me know what you think about this brand new design for the rims, and also compare what you think fits more for this car. And before we finish off this walk around of the complete upgrade done by Larte Design, let me also show you the rear transformation. So as you can see in front of me, I'm standing in front of the Larte Design rear bumper diffuser, and of course this part is also made from 100% carbon fiber. If you have a closer look from the top, you will also see that here we also kept the original mounting points, just like on the stock original rear bumper diffuser for this URUS. Now, as we talk about this design, have a closer look and you will see how beautiful this design looks like. You've got here the aggressive and masculine lines, also made in carbon fiber, but also Larte Design signature here, which are the special Larte Design brake lights. Now, this is definitely something that creates the sort of individuality also when you drive this transformed URUS. Also on the top, we have kept or added the Larte Design a signature here to make it even more personal. And to complete this carbon fiber rear look, we've also developed special geometrical Larte Design exhaust tips. Let me show you how it looks like here. So as you can see, this definitely creates this aggressive look. However, we have also are missing here at the moment the carbon fiber cover that goes on the top. So then once it's on top, it's a perfect carbon fiber look. So also let me compare and let me show you how these will also look on the car later on, but also just to give you an understanding between the two. So these are the original Akrapovic Lamborghini exhaust tips in comparison to the brand new geometrical Larte Design exhaust tips. So as you can see, definitely creates this sense of aggression and sportiness for your Lamborghini. So in addition to the rear bumper diffuser, we have also developed here 3 additional interesting carbon fiber elements which has quite a unique design. We will start talking from the bottom and then we'll have a look at the top parts. Let me show you first of all this part. You might be wondering what this is. This is the Larte Design carbon fiber additional element which goes on top of this one and therefore perfectly complementing the carbon fiber rear diffuser which will come to this car later on. And as you can see, now we got rid of all the glossy black parts and replaced them with carbon fiber design elements here for this project. Now, as we continue talking about these elements, let me also show you the 2 spoilers. First of all, the lower spoiler, which will come instead of the original one. So you will see and have the comparison right away. As you can see, the stock spoiler has got a quite smooth shape. And if you have a direct look at the Larte Design spoiler, you will see that this spoiler has got interesting geometric shapes as well here, and therefore creating this sense of sportiness and just highlighting this exclusive character of this URUS. Now, in addition to the lower spoiler here, we have also got a top spoiler. By the way, each detail for this project has got its own Larte Design signature to make you feel even more special. And now let me show you the top spoiler that was also developed for this project. As you can see, this URUS S has got no spoiler on the top. However, in comparison to URUS Performante, which has got a top spoiler, this spoiler might look quite similar to you. However, it has got a completely different design. Also, this geometric, interesting masculine lines here, highlighting the speed and power of this luxury and sporty SUV. So we now come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this walk around of all these interesting and unique parts developed at Larte Design for the brand new Lamborghini URUS project. And just to show you something even more interesting is the process or the behind scenes of this project. And this is one of the processes that I'm holding in my hand. This is the very first 3D prototype that we have developed. So basically the whole project starts with the scanning 3D modeling, and then we develop the very first 3D prototype parts, which we then fit to the car and see if we even like the design or if there is something that we have to change. So this process of the whole project takes quite a few months and also a few steps. So if you are interested to have a look behind the scenes and see more details about the project, how we develop everything in-house, let us know, and maybe the next video will be about the complete Larte Design project. So now it is actually time for our technicians to start install all these parts, and keep updated and stay up to date, and we will show you the final result in a few days. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you enjoyed looking at these parts from all the perspectives, and I hope to see you in the next video to show you the final result.